You need a bath. Oh dear. I love you. Emmett, you gonna wake up and eat? Wake up, baby. We are trying out a Kawaii baby cover. And it's really cute, it has little lions on it. These are great because they're pretty cheap. They're under $5, just under $5 each. And they are just a cover. So not wet. It's great. You can reuse it. Kawaii baby. Yeah? What do you want to tell the world? Really? Poopy McGee? Lord Poopenmeyer.
It's condemned. I think you just have to, like, fix all the problems.
Yeah, I don't think you have to tear it down. You're getting so big, Daddy had to move up the back strap here to the next notch. You're so tall. At Costco again.
It's been a while. We're good.
Look what we found at Costco. They're so good.